Ladies, we are one step closer to making our dream of starting a business a reality. Using prompts in ChatGPT, we have came up with business ideas and conducted a business analysis. Hi, my name is Shay Jackson. It is my mission to educate and empower women who are interested in learning and leveraging AI tools. In today's Starting a Business Using ChatGPT, we will be creating a business plan for your business. Yes. Now, what I will say is, if you have not looked at my video on coming up with a business idea, which is linked up top and in the description box, and also conducting a business analysis, that video is linked up top and also in the description box as well. I highly encourage you pause this video, go look at those two videos in the playlist, and then come back to this one, just to ensure you have a strong foundation before you look at this video and tackle creating a business plan. Let's dive in. Let's get started. I am starting with a new chat. All I did was go up to the top left-hand corner and click New Chat. One of the things that I did mention in a previous video is when you are starting with a new prompt, it is a good idea to start with a new chat, just so that all of the information and details we have from previous prompts, that it won't overshadow or overflow into our new prompt. So here is our prompt, and this will be, a link for this will be in the description box. It says, imagine you are a seasoned business coach tasked with guiding a budding entrepreneur through the process of developing a simplified but comprehensive business plan and we have to put in our business idea. That's why I mentioned it's a good idea to already have your look at the video concerning your business idea. And we're going to put in the target audience. Your role is to ensure they lay a solid foundation for their business idea, focusing on clarity, brevity, and strategic insight. Your guidance will cover the following key components: business concept, market gap or need, market validation, value proposition, marketing and sales strategy, operational plan, financial plan. And you see it says below is a sample business plan. One of the things that I mentioned concerning prompts is being able to give ChatGPT context of what you're looking for, how you want it to be delivered, and also giving it an example is great as well. And that is what we did here. Just to give it an example of what we want the outline to look like, and also the type of information. As I scroll down, we do also have 2 follow-up prompts asking ChatGPT to create a SWOT analysis and also a competitive analysis as well. So I am going to copy all of this information and put it in my new chat box. I'm going to scroll up because remember we have those brackets that we need to fill in. And here they are. I need to insert a business idea and also a target audience. So I'm going to say my business idea is an e-commerce store, and my e-commerce store for owners of small dogs interested in toys and treats for their dogs. And you see how specific I was, which is a great idea, because as specific and as detailed as you can be with ChatGPT, the more granular the information and personalized it will be. So my business idea is an e-commerce store for owners of small dogs interested in toys and treats for their dogs. And I'm going to hit my arrow and let's see what ChatGPT gives us. I'm going to wait until it stops and then I'm going to scroll up. Okay. Oh, look, business idea. Paul's Play Boutique. That was pretty cool that it gave me a name for my store. It's an e-commerce venture dedicated to serving the needs of small dog owners who are passionate about pampering their furry companions. With a focus on toys and treats tailored specifically for small breeds, the business aims to provide a curated selection of high-quality products that enhance the play and wellness experience for both dogs and their owners. Leveraging the founders' profound love for dogs and their understanding of the unique requirements of small breeds, Paws Play Boutique seeks to become the go-to destination for dog owners seeking premium toys and treats for their beloved pets. Wow, that is pretty cool. Okay, so let's look at the market gap or need. The market for pet products is extensive, yet there's a noticeable gap when it comes to catering to the specific needs of small dog breeds. Many existing pet stores offer a generic range of products that may not be suitable for the smaller size, delicate chewing habits, and dietary requirements for breeds like Chihuahuas, Yorkies, and Pomeranians. Paws Play Boutique aims to fill this void by offering a specialized collection of toys and treats designated exclusively for small dogs, ensuring that owners can find products that are safe, appropriate, and enjoyable for their petite companions. I am impressed, okay? It does a market validation, and one of the things that I do want to mention is when you give your prompt, it may or may not give you a name for your business. If you don't have one already, you can ask ChatGPT to give you a name for your business. But you see, because I gave the context of what I was looking for, also an example, it gives me a lot of good information, okay? So I'm going to scroll down. I don't want to read everything, but it did give me the market validation, as you can see, the value proposition, marketing and sales strategy, operational plan, and the financial plan as well. Okay. So this is the business that I'm going to use, Paws Play Boutique. I'm going to see if there is a business name that already uses this, but this is the business, the use case that I'm going to use for creating a business. Okay, and I'm going to walk along all of the examples, and everything else I'm going to use will be for an e-commerce store that offers toys and treats for small dogs. Now, remember, we have a follow-up prompt, so I'm going to go back over to my page, my document, and I am going to put in, using the above information, create a SWOT analysis. And I want to actually give it a thumbs up because this was really good. Okay, I'm going to copy and paste. Using the above information, create a SWOT analysis. Okay, it gives me my strengths, the weaknesses, opportunities, and also the threats. Okay, which is good. You want to know with your business, it's great to have an idea, but like we did for the last video, conducting a business analysis, understanding if your business idea, like having a full, thorough, detailed understanding of if it's a good business idea, what's the value proposition, what needs you can meet, the target audience, and everything is a great idea. Now, Now that I have my SWOT analysis, the next thing I'm going to do is ask ChatGPT to find the top 5 competitors for this business. Okay? Okay, find the top 5 competitors for an e-commerce store for small breed dogs that offers treats and toys. Treats and toys. And let's see what ChatGPT says. Okay, the top 5 competitors for this e-commerce store is Chewy, Petco, PetSmart, Bark Shop, and also PetFlow. And what it does is it gives us information about why this is a competitor, which is really good. Okay, which is really good because we want to have a full understanding about our business idea. Petco, PetSmart. Now, one of the things that I do want to scroll up and show you that I did see as an opportunity is, hold on, let me see, a strength. One of the things it said for a strength is how there are large stores that have general merchandise and don't specifically cater to small breed dogs, because that is the niche that I'm going for. And if you're familiar and you have a dog or a pet, not just a dog, if you have a pet, you know how Petco is a big box store. Also, Petco is as well. I've never heard of Bark Shop before, or PetFlow, but I will definitely look at those to see where I can have a competitive advantage. And that is it. We have created our business plan. Also, we followed up with having our SWOT analysis and also a competitive analysis as well. And all you would have to do is copy and paste this information for your business idea and business plan. That is it for starting your business using ChatGPT, creating a business plan. My name is Shay Jackson. I will talk to you later.